Are your gums red, swollen, or bleeding? These are common signs of gum disease, which can lead to more serious problems if left untreated. Gum disease is caused by bacteria that collect around the teeth and below the gum line, leading to inflammation, infection, and even bone loss. Scaling and root planing is a non-surgical deep cleaning procedure designed to remove harmful plaque and tartar from above and below the gum line. Scaling removes the buildup, while root planing smooths the tooth roots, helping gums reattach and reducing spaces where bacteria can hide. With scaling and root planing, you'll experience healthier gums, fresher breath, and reduced risk for future gum disease. Take control of your gum health. Call Paramount Dental Center today to learn about scaling and root planing.